Dad Cat says goodbye to Mom and Baby while going to work. The Mother Cat thought her kittens were asleep, so she started cooking.
Let's go play.
Oh, it turns out the kitten was just pretending to sleep, and the kitten was hiding from its mother to take out a box of matches and play. Oh no, the kitten made the fire spread to a big fire. The mother cat was extremely scared when she heard her kitten scream and saw smoke rising.
Oh my god, where is my child?
The fire is raging throughout the house, and the mother cat still hasn't seen her kitten. The wife cat called her husband cat to come home immediately because the house was on fire. When the husband cat came home, he was very frightened when he saw it was on fire. Even though he was scared, the husband cat still rushed into the burning house to save his wife and children. Wow, the father cat was so strong when he saved his wife and children one by one from the burning house.
I'm sorry, Mom and Dad.
Oh my god! The green chemical water on the car was poured all over the father cat and the kitten. Oh no! Dad Cat has turned into a green monster. But the monster Dad Cat is still a good dad who takes good care of his kitten.
Let's go! Everyone stand still. Put your name on your head. Oh no!
The special task force broke into the house to take away the green monster father cat before the helplessness of the kitten.
Let me go. I have to stay by my side to take care of the kitten.